technical advice.
Hey guys, welcome to the brand new episode of Gadget World for the best technical advice.
Gadget World for the best technical advice.
We handpick greatest gadgets out there to keep you in the know. From PlayStations to smartphones to superphones, Android, cameras, tablets and even laptops, so that there is all the best deals in the town. Here comes the first product of the show. It's a 2-in-1 product from the #1 global company Dell. It's Dell XPS 12 Convertible Ultrabook, so that you can flip from work to play. Hey guys, Dell, current PC giant, has introduced a new product with a twist. Yes, I'm speaking about Dell XPS 12 Convertible Ultrabook. As you can see, it's a fully finished design and it has won the IF Product Design Gold Award 2013. This convertible Ultrabook is constructed from machined aluminium and with Gorilla Glass and carbon fiber. As I said before, Dell XPS 12 is a product with a twist. This is the convertible Ultrabook. You can transform this Ultrabook into a tablet by using a flip and fold motion. As you can see, it's been converted into a tablet. As you can see, it's a full touch-based experience. You just need to flip from work to play, and it's a 12.5-inch LED display. As you can see, it's just a tab, but it can be converted into an Ultrabook, and it has got 1.3 megapixel webcam, and its OS is Windows 8, and about the core processor, it has 3rd generation Intel i3 core processor, and it has got an inbuilt 4 GB memory, and its battery life is from 5 to 6 hours. This is Dell XPS 12 Convertible Ultrabook. It costs 88,600 rupees. Even though it's a little bit high price, it has got 3-year warranty. Okay, now moving on to its pros and cons. About its pros, it has got a cleverly designed and a strong built tablet, and also, as you can see, it has got a tactile keyboard and a 12.5-inch screen with LED. Now about its cons, it do not have any SD card slot, or even it do not have any Ethernet port. It's only having a moderate battery life, and it's a little bit heavy while used as a tablet. There is no more waiting in this convertible Ultrabook. You guys can always be updated with your emails, messages, social network, whatever apps you may be. Even if this Dell XPS 12 Convertible Ultrabook is in a sleep mode, you can have that all productivity, fun and entertainment just under your fingertips. Here comes the next product from the most trusted brand, Nokia. It's Nokia Lumia 920, and it's famous for its PureView technology, so that you can click that blur-free photos and videos, and it's available in vibrant and attractive colors. Here goes the most innovative smartphone from Nokia. That is Nokia Lumia 920. You don't need any introduction for the Nokia brand because it's the most trusted brand all over the world. As you can see, it comes in vibrant colors like red, yellow, green, blue, and it goes on. Nokia Lumia 920 supports Windows 8, that is Office, Excel, and Xbox. Xbox is something very easy to handle and you can play different games in it. And moving on to the camera, that is they have a professional touch given into it, that is Carl Zeiss lens, so that you can take clear crisp pictures without it's blurred free, and also in dim light or even in low light you can take perfect clean pictures. And moving on to its battery backup, it's about 17 hours talk time battery backup and its cost is just 38,000 rupees.
Yeah, so many damn styles get tossed up in the mix. I got them yelling, get rowdy, get quick, get rowdy. I'ma move some things, they wanna see me move and shake.
You get a cool accessory also along with this phone, that is Nokia's wireless charging stand. As you can just need to place it over it, you don't need to connect it over the phone, just this wireless charging stand will be plugged into.
Rock this place. Rock this. Rock this. Rock this place. Rock this. Rock this. Rock this. Rock this place.
Now let's have a short break.
Gadget World for the best technical advice.